point of connection between what I'm dealing with, which is Kabbalah and meditation, between art gallery. I shared with Yoda, my friend, that when I was youth, when I was like around 18, I thought that I'm going to be an artist, and I was dealing a lot of art. So that's from there I came to what I'm doing now. So for me, for sure, there is a connection. I will share this connection with you. The art, and actually anything, doesn't have to be art. Like when we speak about art, we think about this kind of art, but actually anyone have a certain art, whatever it is. Couples that are getting married, they need to master the art of staying married. People that are having children, they need to master the art of parenting. People that they have a certain profession, each profession is an art for itself. So in a way, whatever it is that you do in your life, you have to connect to that in a way of an artist. And what is that? Is to receive inspiration, right? An artist is receiving inspiration. You have a certain creation that you want to create. What would it be? It depends on your inspiration, right? And the same thing also when you have a certain situation between people, you have a certain stress with your friend, you want to resolve the situation, you need an inspiration to know how to resolve the situation, right? And many times we are trying to figure out where to take this inspiration from. Many times we are dealing with a situation that we understand that we need a new inspiration, and we don't know where to draw that inspiration from. So for me, the answer is to connect to the source. And what is the source? The source
HaChaim.
is one, HaChaim, God. That's the ultimate source of everything. So when we connect to the source, we, by definition, we receive inspiration. The inspiration is coming from all the inspiration of all humanity, whatever it is.